Hello friends, in this video I will show you some cool text effects which you can apply to the text when you are using Photoshop. So first of all we will write here like horizontal type we will use, and we will write something like cool text effect. And if you want to increase the size of the text, press Ctrl plus T, then press and hold Alt plus Shift, and we will increase the size of the text. Press enter and then move like here. So to apply text effects, we can right click on the layer and then click blending options. Now blending options are there, so you can apply some effects. For example, first of all we can apply drop shadow. We will start from the bottom like drop shadow, blend mode like normal, opacity you can increase like this or you can reduce, and the color of the shadow we can change, see, and the distance you can change, and spread you can increase, size you can increase as you want, and contour you can also apply different contour effects. And see, and then the next is outer glow. So double click here, outer glow, normal, and opacity like, see, we can select other color, see, noise we can increase if you want, spread if you want you can apply, and contour also you can apply in outer glow. And then the next is pattern overlay. So pattern overlay, like, see this, we can apply different patterns here. We can also click on the settings icon, like we have these patterns. So if I click rock patterns, append, see, more pattern will come. If I click like audible texture, append, so we have more patterns. Gradient overlay. Now you can see when we apply gradient overlay, pattern is not showing, so we can apply from here multiply, and then from here we can select, see, now we can see both of them, pattern also and gradient as well. If we reduce the opacity, so the pattern will appear. So this, or we can change the pattern, gradient style, like right now it's linear, so we can apply like radial, we can also apply angle, reflected, or we can apply diamond. I will select like reflected. Scale also we can increase or reduce, see. Then color overlay. So if we apply color overlay, now you can see gradient and pattern is not showing. So if I select multiply, now you can see all of them are here. So we can select a color like this, and if you don't want to apply, you can uncheck this one. Then satin you can apply like shadow inside the text. Distance of satin you can change, or size you can also change. So this we can apply if we want. Inner glow inside, like first we applied outer glow, and we can also apply inner glow. So inner glow opacity also we can increase. This is screen, we can apply normal. Noise we can increase, and the color if you want to change, see. And technique software or precise, then choke, and size we can also increase. Contour we can apply different. Inner shadow we can also apply, like this one is white, we can apply like blue, and then we can also change the distance and choke. Also size we can also control. Same contour we can also control. Then you can apply stroke as well. Double click. Stroke is outline, like color we can select this, any color you want you can select, and then size of this you can also type the size here. This is outside, you can apply inside, or you can also apply center. Blend mode is normal, you can apply like dissolve, lighten, see, or overlay, or something like hard light. So we will apply normal. And even we can also apply gradient or patterns as outline. So gradient, now we have gradient as outline. Even we can change like the gradient type, and gradient color also we can change like this. See, we can also load gradients from here, like pastels we can see, or we can also use pattern instead of gradient. So patterns we can also apply, see, like this one, and scale we can also change, and size right now 10, if I apply 15, not bad. And opacity we can reduce or increase. Then bevel and emboss we can also apply. Double click, now you can see the text is like, something very looking very professional, like bevel and emboss. Here we have inner bevel, we can apply outer, we can apply emboss, or we can apply pillow emboss, or we can apply stroke emboss. So for example, inner bevel smooth, depth we can reduce or increase like this, and size from here we can increase. Soften we can also reduce. Angle we can also change from here like this. Or use global light. If you don't want, you can uncheck this. And gloss contour you can also change like this, see, different we can apply. And we can also apply contour and texture from here. First, this one is normal. Opacity we will use like this. Contour like this we can apply different. If you want, you can apply. And then range you can also increase. Then texture you can also apply different texture. And if you don't want, you can uncheck from here. Now once you are satisfied with your effects, then click OK. So see, cool text effect we have applied. If we press and hold Alt and drag and drop, we can make duplicate. And if we press T and now edit this text by, and I will also make one more like this one, then oh my god, It's a cool text effect by Omar, but you have learned a lot in the Photoshop about the text effects. I hope you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you very much.